This remarkable home, backing to a green space in Forest Heights, is surrounded by the natural beauty of the Northwest. Nearby Forest Park, award-winning wineries, and neighborhood amenities put recreation, dining, and everyday conveniences within easy reach. Discover hardwood floors, abundant natural light, and a well-designed floor plan in this home of nearly 4,000 square feet. The gourmet kitchen features granite countertops, custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and even a built-in espresso machine. It opens to the dining nook and to the recently updated deck, overlooking a peaceful canopy of trees, creating a private setting for outdoor living or entertaining. The butler's pantry and spacious walk-in pantry connect to the formal dining room, framed with detailed wainscoting. The main level includes a dedicated home office with built-ins and a generous vaulted bonus room with a wet bar, providing even more flexibility for entertaining, movie nights, or as a fifth bedroom. Upstairs, the private primary suite offers a large walk-in closet and a beautifully appointed bath with dual sinks, a soaking tub, and a glass-enclosed shower. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath complete the upper level. While a 4th bedroom and additional storage are found downstairs. There's even an extra deep 4-car tandem garage, along with finished space ideal for a workshop. With generous living spaces, exceptional storage, and a beautiful Forest Heights setting, this home offers comfort, privacy, and refined Northwest living. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.